Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a stop on Waze. Start by opening Waze app on your phone and search where you want to go. Let's say I want to go to home and select Go Now. Now once the ride starts, just scroll the option up and you will see an option to add a stop. You can click on Add a Stop, and you can add a stop for your saved place, gas, food, parking, groceries, and many more. Let's say I want to add a stop for gas. And you can see the Waze will automatically calculate the gas stations near me. Let's say I want to stop on this. Click on Go. Click Add a Stop. And that's it. You have successfully added a stop on Waze. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.